Welcome to this technical explainer and specification guide for the Festo EMMT AS 80H HS RMYB servo motor. This technical schematic highlights the motor's core specifications: 1070 watts of nominal power, 3000 RPM nominal speed, and 3.4 Newton meters of nominal torque. It also notes a protection class of IP40 or IP67 with connection components. Let's review the performance envelope, comparing continuous versus dynamic limits. The motor delivers a peak torque of 13.5 Newton meters and a maximum rotational speed of 6,500 RPM with a peak current of 21.7 amps. Key mechanical constraints include a permissible radial shaft load of 620 newtons and an axial load of 120 newtons. The motor has a mass moment of inertia of 2.43 kg/cm squared and a total product weight of 4.75 kilograms. The control and feedback architecture uses an absolute multi-turn safety encoder with 4,096 detectable revolutions. The interface is EnDat 2.2, providing 19-bit resolution. It is capable of SIL3 and PLE Cat3 safety ratings with additional drive software. The integrated braking system features a 24 volts DC holding brake with 7 Newton meters of holding torque and 15 watts of power consumption. The response times are fast, with closing in under 30 milliseconds and separation under 45 milliseconds. The connectivity interface is a hybrid M23x1 plug connection with a 15-pin pattern. This single cable solution combines motor power, holding brake control, and EnDat 2.2 encoder feedback. The motor is designed to operate between -40°C and 40°C, with operation up to 4,000 meters in altitude. It features an IP40 base, which can be sealed to IP67. The IP67 rating and continuous duty are ideal for packaging and food processing, while the 19-bit absolute encoder supports high-precision CNC and machine tool automation. The 13.5 Newton-meter peak torque is suitable for material handling and metal routing. For authorized procurement and support of the EMMT AS 80H HS RMYB, you can contact Murali Pneumatics, an authorized Festo dealer.